For this video, we'll be replacing the throttle unit on a MantisX Plus. A couple things to remember. First of all, you're gonna need a wire cutter to cut the zip ties and a 3mm Allen wrench. Start by cutting the zip tie as holding the wire bundle, and go ahead and remove the two cables, one that goes to the dash unit and then another cable that goes down on the stem to the speed controller. Grab your 3mm wrench, and the trick is that there are screws holding this display unit, and then there are nuts on the bottom side. It's very difficult to access, so the best thing to do is to loosen the bottom screws, but don't take it all the way out. Loosen enough so that we can rotate like this, and that way you can remove the dash unit and without having the nuts fall to the floor. So go ahead and remove the top two screws all the way out. So the first one's out, the second one is out, and once that's out, go ahead and grab your replacement throttle unit and reverse the process. Slide into the tabs and make sure that you have the screw fastening nuts on the bottom side. Go ahead and tighten the two screws. Right. And once the top two screws are tightened, go ahead and push the throttle down. Make sure you test your finger position to position it into a comfortable location. For me, that's about the right position. Proceed by tightening the bottom two screws, which will lock the throttle angle relative to the handlebars. And the final two steps are to connect the two cables, one to the dash unit and then another one to the speed controller. And lastly, use a zip tie to tie the bundle of wires and snip off the end. And that concludes the throttle unit replacement.